Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create mini zoom effects on your edits in CapCut Mobile. So here, the first thing that you need to do is of course add your videos and then go to Effect, Video Effects, click on the lens, find the mini zoom in here. Okay, this one, click on that. Here you can adjust it as you like. Adjust the range and also the speed. Click on the check icon. I'm going to make it short, but I'm going to duplicate it so the zoom will last in the video. So you can just put it however you like, and this is the result. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.